Today is Saturday, July 2nd, 2022. Let us take a look at today's crypto headlines. BlockFi will be acquired by FTX.us for up to $240 million. Voyager Digital halts withdrawals and other services. CNBC's Brian Kelly on Bitcoin: we are getting a lot closer to a generational bottom. Dogecoin, $Doge, and Shiba Inu, $SHIB, see active addresses jump over 30%. Bitcoin, $BTC, whales keep accumulating aggressively, data shows. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification button to keep supporting our channel. BlockFi will be acquired by FTX.us for up to $240 million. BlockFi has confirmed that FTX.us will be acquiring the firm for up to $240 million. BlockFi will also receive a $400 million rolling credit facility from FTX.us. BlockFi Inc.'s deal with FTX.us. BlockFi has agreed to an acquisition deal with FTX.us. The crypto lender's CEO Zach Prince took to Twitter Friday to announce the update, revealing that FTX.us would be buying the firm for up to $240 million based on certain performance triggers. Prince added that BlockFi would receive a $400 million rolling credit facility. It was previously revealed on June. The $240 million price tag marks a heavy discount from BlockFi's previous valuation. The firm was valued at $4.8 billion after it raised funds in a private round in July 2021. The news of the $680 million deal comes off the back of a rocky June for BlockFi. Prince said that crypto market volatility had negatively impacted BlockFi in the lead-up to the deal. Though he cited the insolvency issues Celsius and Three Arrows Capital faced, he clarified that BlockFi had no exposure to either firm. Instead, he said, the impact of Three Arrows' sudden collapse led to a wave of withdrawals as customers lost faith in lending services, sparking BlockFi's own insolvency crisis. On June 16, it was revealed that BlockFi was one of several firms to liquidate Three Arrows as it failed to meet a margin call when the market crashed. Prince said that the Three Arrows saga spread fear in the market, before revealing that BlockFi suffered losses of $80 million in the fallout. Prince further added that while the firms had agreed to a $680 million deal, BlockFi had not utilized any of the credit line. Protecting customers, Prince explained, was a key reason to add capital to the firm's balance sheet. Similar to BlockFi, the crypto lender Celsius also faced insolvency issues in June, but it instead opted to freeze customer withdrawals. The firm's crisis is still ongoing. Other crypto lenders such as Babel Finance and CoinFlex have also faced insolvency issues in recent weeks amid extreme market turmoil. Voyager Digital halts withdrawals and other services. The exchange joins an ever-growing list of companies pausing withdrawals, suspending services, or experiencing other liquidity crises. Voyager Digital has announced that it is temporarily suspending withdrawals and most other financial services. Voyager suspends most services. In a blog post, Voyager said that it will temporarily suspend trading, deposits, withdrawals, and loyalty rewards. This will also prevent clients from using their Voyager debit cards. Users will, however, still be able to view market data on Voyager's app. The firm will also send out reward payments for June and says that it plans to continue paying rewards in July. The restrictions came into effect today at 2 p.m. At today, 45 minutes prior to the company's announcement of the change. Voyager did not indicate when it would reopen its services to its clients. Rather, it said that it is not in a position to announce anything else today and added that it is hopeful that the company will have more to share soon. The firm said that it will explore strategic alternatives, noting that it is in discussions with other firms regarding additional liquidity and the go-forward strategy for the company. Voyager did not explicitly confirm or deny whether those discussions could lead to a buyout of the company. Voyager secured loan last week. Voyager Digital has been attempting to maintain solvency throughout June's industry-wide crypto liquidity crisis. On June that loan was intended to replace funding from Three Arrows Capital, which defaulted on a $665 million loan this week. Voyager said today that it is still attempting to recover 3 Acres' loan through the court process in the British Virgin Islands. Voyager is not the only company that has halted its services in recent weeks. Celsius was the first crypto firm to suspend withdrawals on June 13. Other firms such as Coinflex and Babel Finance have done the same in recent weeks. As Bitcoin prices remain at a low not seen since December 2020, it seems likely that other companies struggling with the crypto winter could halt services in the near future as well. CNBC's Brian Kelly on Bitcoin: "We are getting a lot closer to a generational bottom." On Thursday, June 30th, hedge fund manager and CNBC contributor Brian Kelly, aka BK, explained when we could expect to see the Bitcoin price hit bottom. According to his bio on the CNBC website, Kelly is the founder and CEO of BKCM LLC, an asset management firm focused on global macro and currency investing, including investing in digital currencies. Furthermore, he is the portfolio manager of the BKCM Digital Asset Fund and the Rex BKCM Blockchain ETF, NYSE, BKC. Kelly is also the author of the book The Bitcoin Big Bang: How Alternative Currencies Are About to Change the World, which was published by Wiley in November 2014. Kelly's latest comments on Bitcoin were made during a segment on Thursday's episode of CNBC's Fast Money, hosted by Melissa Lee, at a time when Bitcoin was trading around $18,850. When Lee asked Kelly how long it would be before Bitcoin would bottom, Kelly replied, "I'll give you the my lawyer answer, it depends." It's a good news, bad news scenario, right? So, the good news is I do think we are getting a lot closer to our generational bottom. The bad news is it might not be until Bitcoin hits 10 grand. And by the way, the catalyst for it is going to be inflation expectations picking up and every central bank in the world making a policy error. So, that's not a world I'm all that excited about living in, but you know what, here I am. And I think if you get those 3 combos, a final flush out of all this leverage in Bitcoin down to 10K, 15K, somewhere around that and inflation expectations picking up, which I think come in the next quarter or so, and we already know every central bank has already made a policy mistake and likely to continue to do more. We just gotta wait. It's just not at this level. We're probably months away from a Lehman moment, meaning hat kind of one last flush down. Somebody big goes bankrupt that you never expected. We're probably months away from that because we just don't know. It is a great financial crisis for the crypto world. We built that Wall Street 2.0, and it didn't work again. Shocker. And so we got to flush that out real quick. Have recently seen the number of active addresses on their networks jump well over 30% over a 30-day period as the prices of both crypto assets rose. Dogecoin saw the number of active addresses on it surge 32% from around 123,000 to over 137,000, while SHIB saw a 35% rise. From around 3,975 to roughly 5,220 active addresses. Which allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings in kind. For Shiba Inu, as CryptoGlobe reported, the top 2,000 whales on the Ethereum $F network have been increasing their bets on the cryptocurrency. According to available data, these whales currently hold, on average, $217 million worth of ETH and $6.5 million worth of used. Behind these two assets comes the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, with average holdings of $5 million. Dogecoin, on the other hand, has counted on continuous support from Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk. Both meme-inspired cryptocurrencies were recently added as payment methods to Coinbase Commerce, a division of the Nasdaq-listed exchange Coinbase Global at a time in which the platform is adding off-chain payments to reduce fees and settlement times. And auto conversions to fiat currency to help ensure they're receiving the correct amount from payers. SHIB was notably the best performing cryptocurrency among all of the tokens listed on Coinbase between 2021 and 2022 so far. Out of around 125 cryptocurrencies being listed for that period, only 10 outperformed the flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin. And the meme-inspired cryptocurrency was the best performer with a 49% rise from its listing price as of June 24. Bitcoin, $BTC. Whales keep accumulating aggressively, data shows. Bitcoin, $BTC. Whales have kept on accumulating tokens aggressively throughout the bear market as prices plunge, according to on-chain data showing large addresses are adding to their holdings. The ongoing crypto bear market saw the price of BTC plunge from around $69,000 back in November 2021 to around $19,000. At the time of writing, amid risk-off sentiment in the markets driven by inflation fears, interest rate hikes, and the war in Ukraine. And freezing withdrawals from their platforms citing extreme market conditions. Whales holding more than 1,00 BTC have, however, kept accumulating coins at a discount relative to last year. With Intopiblock analyst Juan Pacer saying that in the last multi-year long bear market Bitcoin whales took advantage to accumulate at a high pace, according to Decrypt. The analyst added that while whales' balances keep on growing, they don't seem to be growing with the same intensity of the last bear cycle. Blockchain analytics firm Glassnode has also noted on social media that whales with over 1,000 BTC typically go through accumulation/distribution cycles, often aligned with Bitcoin market structure. For the firm, these entities are adding to their balance aggressively as they are acquiring 140,000 BTC per month from cryptocurrency exchanges. Despite the ongoing bear market, CryptoCompare Research's Digital Asset Management Review has shown that the 21 shares short Bitcoin ETH, SBTC, which seeks to provide a 1x return on the performance of Bitcoin for a single day, had a 30-day return of 30.8%. Making it the third consecutive month where the product's assets under management have risen, recording a new $16.5 million all-time high this month. Trust products, which have an 80.3% market share, fell 35.8% to $17.3 billion, while ETHs and ETHs fell 36.7% and 30.6% to $1.34 billion and $1.61 billion respectively. The report also mentions the $500 million outflows from Bitcoin's biggest ETF that led to a price crash earlier this month. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any updates.